I'm Dr. Plavumkel with the Florida Vet on Wheels. This is the clinic. I just wanted to give you a tour of the mobile vet clinic. It's for dogs and cats in Lee County. There's a small refrigerator that opens up. We keep all the dogs and cats vaccinations, the heartworm test, leukemia test for cats, parvo test for dogs. It does have a freezer. We keep all the blood tests in there for the blood work that we do before surgery. And when you look here, there is a scale. It's a large scale that pulls out from under that cage that we can weigh any size dogs. The other day we had a 270-pound Mastiff that we see at the client's place, and it slides back in. We can take the weight of a large dog in here. This is a large cage that opens up. We can keep them for the day or anything that they need. It also closes up. There's a divider in there that we can also make it into two separate cages. Going around here, this is a generator that all the stuff in the truck works on a generator, the AC units and all that. There's a sink that we can clean all the things in here and gets the water in there. This table is the exam table. We do most of the exams in here. Small dogs, cats, all that, we put it here. And it opens up. We can lift it up, and this is called a vet table. We do teeth cleaning for the dogs and cats in here. It's the same size vet table. We call it that vet table or dental table for the teeth cleaning in dogs and cats, and it's the same size table in the stationary veterinary clinics. And that closed up. It's a ophthalmoscope, otoscope. We can check the eyes and ears out with that machine. We have all the tubes in here for when we do surgery, we can sedate them and tube them and under anesthesia. All the supplies, that is the scrubs, all the supplies for surgeries, and the clippers, medications, and if you look there, we have all the heartworm medicine, flea medicine for the dogs and cats, and tick collars and all that. There is an anesthesia machine here. It opens up. It's like a window. It opens up for the dental table when we put them under for the teeth cleaning. And it's the regular anesthesia machine that's fixed on that window. And it closes up like this to the surgery suite. And this is a surgery suite and surgery table that we can do surgeries here, spay, neuter, tumor removals, any kind of surgeries most of the surgeries that we can do for a dog or cat. So the anesthesia machine here, you can see the oxygen tanks, anything in there, all that we need to do surgery. The lights. The table goes up and down, and we can also tilt it. So any big dogs, small dogs, we can do all that here. That is an X-ray machine. The X-ray machine will be up and running in a few weeks. How it works is it goes on a track and it moves, so we can move it. And the patient will be on this table, and we can move it and move right back when we're done and tie up to that and secure it. So when we need x-rays, we can do right here. That is a view box. When we do x-rays, we can see the x-rays, check the x-rays on that box, and it lights up for to see it. So there's a light, you can put x-rays on it. And I have one x-ray that I can have you watch it. Like you can put it up and you can see that, like that. So, and the x-ray processor is in the dark room. And now we have the red light and the x-ray boxes and processing tanks, all that in here. And the gowns and all that. And when we go this way, on your right side here, on my right, it's a blood machine. We do blood work. on patients before we do surgery. It takes about 20 minutes. We draw the blood and let it clot and spin and do that here. This is a centrifuge. We take the blood, put that in here, open it up, put it in here and spin it, and then take the serum, the blood here, and run it. Takes about 20 minutes. And then after we get the blood work, then we decide if we can put that animal under anesthesia and do the surgeries or teeth cleaning, anything that they need. All these drawers have the supplies that we need. We can check their ear smear or skin diseases, anything that they need. All the supplies are kept in here. The lab supplies, maybe catheters, all the urinary catheter, lab forms, injectable antibiotics, and the urine supplies, all that goes in these drawers. So these are all secure in here. When you look up here, we keep all the pain medications, the antibiotics, pills, the pill popper, anything that they need. We have the supply for the treatment of their problems. And we have a microscope that we do check their, if they have an ear infection or skin infection, that we check their smears, the blood smear, ear smear, skin smear, to make sure that we treat the proper way, find out first what's wrong with them before we medicate them. So this is a tour of the clinic, Florida Vet on Wheels. It's a full-service mobile veterinary clinic in Lee County. We do dogs and cats, any size dogs, cats. We do small birds, pocket pets, rabbits, rats, anything like that, guinea pigs, hamsters too. But primarily it's a dog and cat, small animal. And call us, Florida Vet on Wheels, 239-223-1289, and make an appointment to check out your pet at the convenience of your house. And I'm Dr. Plavlenko. Thank you.